Hakotoni bising Tripura Pula AI policy samongo prangnani thangi tongo Otol Innovation Mission tai Niti Ayog ni chuba o policies namjagana tini Agartala ni hapania hayungruk indoor phunuk mung khoro haste tangketal mission no chengmani pandaw montriokra Dr. Manik Saha saka okokno saka bosaka Agartala auli naikani ni bagi AI kitingjak tanglam samongo prangjagana obono kari kendroni electronics tai kokthum tangshep kokchonglani chuba Tripura AI Center of Excellence Songsana Bagibo Samung Tangi Tongo Hini Bosaka Pandao Kendoni Soisite Tangshep Tai Ha Soisi Bedik ni Barja Manjak Montriak to Dr. Jitendra Singh Saka Tripura Haste Tangkatal Mission no Tuidulka Tai Hakotoni Kubuni Haste Tai Kendro by Naikolzak Amchirok ni Bagibo Oya Prikaisa Surung Thai Dr. Singh Saka Hakotoni Joto Hangkoro Niti Ayo Khung Bachi Shaini Kubang Otol Tinkering Lab Jengnani Kokchap Jakha Hakotoro tabukai nui rashai startup tongo huni bobo kokursaka.
We are in process of establishment of Tripura AI Center of Excellence with the assistance of Ministry of Electronics and IT Government of India. We are also planning to set up Tripura IT and Data Economic Zone to promote IT, ITES and data center ecosystem in the state as the demand for software enterprise is growing.
I must compliment the state of Tripura for having taken a lead not only for Northeast but for the entire country. And I was glad to notice that I was told that over 150 startups you have in this state, which is quite a good number considering the size of the state, and total about 3.13 lakh of registered MSMEs. Because overall we have about more than 2 lakh startups in the country.